Vaishnavi, I am audible. Vaishnavi, I am audible.
Hello.
Yes, Vaishnavi. My voice is clear.
Yeah.
Just wait for 5 minutes, okay? Other people have to attend the class. Okay, in 5 minutes, I'm going to start the class.
Okay.
Okay, Vaishnavi? Right. Mukherjee, I'm audible. Ranit Mukherjee, am I audible? Vaishnavi, yesterday you attended the class now? Vaishnavi, yesterday you attended the class now? Okay, right. Anyway, good morning all. Actually, it is what yesterday I have discussed. What is full stack Java? Okay. In full stack Java, what are the concepts we are going to learn? First of all, what is full stack? Actually, yesterday I have explained what is full stack. To become a full stack developer, what are the things you have to learn? To become a full stack developer, the company is looking for 5 members. Okay, just I'm going to repeat for 2 minutes. Later, we are going for forward. Okay, 1 minute. Mr. Mukherjee, I'm audible. Ranit Mukherjee.
Yeah. Hi, sir.
Hi, I'm audible now.
Yeah.
It is your first class or yesterday also you have attended? Is it your
Uh,
is
yeah,
it
this is my first class. Yeah.
this is your first class? Okay, no problem. Right. Vaishnavi, is it your first class or yesterday you have attended?
This is my first class.
Okay, good. Okay, Vaishnavi, then no problem.
Okay.
See that? Okay, right. Then I'm doing one thing. I'm giving the fresh example for this because of both are new persons. No? Okay, now see that. Actually, our concept name is full stack Java. And what is called full stack Java? And how to become a full stack developer. Okay, I'm giving one simple example for full stack Java developer means what? Just 1 minute. I'm giving simple example. Right. Now see that. For example, you want to become a Java full stack developer. First of all, how to become a Java full stack developer. And to understand this one, first of all, what is the company's requirement? Suppose in a company, you are going to take Java project. Assume you are selected for one Java project. In Java project, what kind of concepts are available? Just listen carefully. To become a Java full stack developer and to make the Java project, what kind of objects you have to make? Everyone watch it. In every project, we need 5 persons. In every project development, we need 5 persons. Okay, what are the 5 persons and what are their roles? Now I'm going to explain. See that. Just assume he is the first person. Now he is the first person. Like that, totally 5 persons are required for this Java project. And what is their role? Now I am going to explain. See that. First person, actually, this person have to know about front-end application development. Listen carefully. This person role is what means he is going to develop the front end. Now, what is called front end? Okay. Actually, we are calling HTML, JavaScript, CSS, Bootstrap, and React.js. These are the front-end concepts. When a person knows all these concepts, he is called front-end developer. And one more important person also required for the company. Who is the second person? The second person is nothing but database developer. Generally, who is going to learn either Oracle, MySQL, NoSQL, like this, he is going to learn. He is the Java database developer. Next, the third person is nothing but Java developer. We have to know about core Java, advanced Java, Spring Boot. Okay, Spring Boot, and web services. Now, this Java developer have to know about the core Java, advanced Java, Spring Boot, web services. And another person also required, who is nothing but the tester. Nowadays, I think you know Selenium is there. Okay, manual testing, automation testing, all these are available. Now, this is nothing but a tester. He knows about Selenium, all these things. And here another person also required, who is going to make the project building and the deployment. Okay, who have to know about AWS, like this, Amazon Web Services, all these things he have to know. Okay, listen. Suppose to become a full stack Java developer, the person means the company is expecting all these things. First, they need one front end developer, another one database developer, third one Java developer, fourth one tester, and fifth one is building and deployment tool. Now, the front end developer is going to do what? The database developer is doing what? And Java developer is doing what? Tester is going to do what? Builder and deployment is going to do what? Now, simple concept. Actually, where we are going to use HTML, JavaScript, CSS, cascading style sheets, Bootstrap, and React.js. Okay, one simple example I want to show you. Very simple example. Just watch it. Suppose here we are having Ashok IT website. Just assume it is our Ashok IT website. Okay. Here I have used so many buttons. Join class is a button, view notes is a button, workspace, classroom, like this. So many buttons are there. And one table is also there. And search box is there, means text box is there. Drop down list box is there. Actually, how we are going to place all these items? How we are placing all these items means using the HTML. Remember, by using HTML, we are placing all these items here. That means by using HTML, we can design the front end. Means we can design the web page. Means in that web page, what kind of items are required? Okay, label required, drop down list box, buttons, where we have to put. Okay, where we have to put the placement. All these are conducted in HTML. After that, we are giving colors. See that we are having join class in blue color, view notes in red color, and workspace in black color, like this. And how to get these all these colors? By using CSS. And not only that one, when we are moving from one item to another item, see that carefully. One item to another item, little bit color change is there in background. Okay, when we are coming on dashboard, light color is displayed. Upload, see that again color, little bit color changes there. And all these effects we are giving through this CSS. This CSS. And then what about JavaScript? Where we are going to use this JavaScript means the JavaScript is used for, okay, conditions. Sir, what is called condition? For example, you are going to open the Flipkart or Amazon website, what it may be. Okay. For example, you are going to open Flipkart application. Now this is the Flipkart application. And in Flipkart application, see that search for products, brands, and more is there. Search for products, brands, more is there. Here, so many items are visible here. But I want to search for only Samsung mobile. I want to search only for Samsung mobiles. See that here Samsung is there, Realme is there, and so many items are there. When I am typing yes, see that automatically yes started letters are visible. Everyone observe it carefully. When I am going to enter yes here, it is showing only yes related concepts only. Okay. Now I am selecting suppose Samsung S24. See that it is showing only the Samsung related options. Okay. Actually, in this website, we are having so many items, but now it is showing only the Samsung related items. How it is possible? Because of inside this search button, there is a JavaScript program. Inside this button, there is a JavaScript is there. And the JavaScript is when user is typing the text, it is searching the data from the server, means the database. It is connecting with the database and searching which matter the user is typing, means end user. And any matching related data is available, it is showing on the web page. And all these concept we are doing in this JavaScript. That's why HTML is for what purpose? To place the buttons, text boxes, okay, everything. And JavaScript is what for? To make the conditions, all these things, means filtering purpose. And CSS means to give the colors and means a better look. And now, then what about Bootstrap? Where we are going to use this Bootstrap? Actually, Bootstrap is used for what purpose here? Simple, very simple. For example, here you are using a mobile phone or laptop, or suppose tab is there. Okay, the guys can use either mobile phone, laptop, or tab is there. But all are going to open the same Flipkart website. Suppose assume. Okay, suppose someone is watching the Flipkart in a mobile phone, someone is watching the Flipkart in a tab, and someone is watching the Flipkart in laptop. Actually, all these sizes are same, guys. Someone please respond. All the items sizes are same or different? Laptop, mobile, and tab. They are of different size. But based on the size, the website automatically adjusted. In mobile phone, they are looking to be small. In tab, they are getting little bit bigger. And in laptop, more bigger. Sir, how it is possible, sir? Okay, how it is possible? In mobile phone, they are coming to be smaller size. Okay, listen carefully. In mobile phone, we are getting smaller size. In tab, medium size. In laptop, they are going to be bigger size. Not only that example, when you are moving the mobile, means when you are going to rotate the mobile phone, when we are rotating the mobile phone, automatically the window sizes are adjusted. Sir, how it is possible, sir? That is what I am saying is bootstrap. By using bootstrap, we can adjust the window sizes, font sizes, image sizes, all these things. Remember, the bootstrap is going to do all these things. Next, what about the React JS? Now the React JS is nothing but the framework. Okay, remember, actually the React JS is the UI framework. Okay, actually this is called UI module. Actually in UI module, what happened? UI means what, sir? First of all, actually UI means user interface. Remember everybody, UI full form user interface. Sir, what is called user interface, sir? Whatever the things you are watching in a web page. For example, it is Flipkart website. It is a Flipkart website, and in Flipkart website, now you are watching one mobile phone and another mobile phone, like this. Whatever the users, end users means you and me. User mean you and me also end user. Whatever the end user watching, that environment is called UI, user interface. User means you and me. Interface means working area. Now, this UI interface, listen carefully. This UI interface, how they are making means by using this HTML, JavaScript, CSS, Bootstrap. And then what about React JS, sir? React JS is a framework. Framework means what? Means which is a predefined. Remember everybody, framework means first of all what? Framework stands for which is predefined. Means all the things are already designed, which are ready to use. That means, for example, here you are going to make one day for this. For example, just assume you are taking one day to develop the web application by using all these components, and it is going to be finished within 1 hour by using of what? React.js. Why? Because means in React.js, all the things are predefined. That means automatic. Okay, there is nothing to do by the user. Just you have to give the information. Automatically, it is making your website. That's why nowadays React.js is going to be very popular. Nowadays, every person is going for React.js. Why? Because means it makes the programmer or programmer work easy. And when you know HTML, JavaScript, CSS, Bootstrap, React.js, you are called a UI developer. Remember everybody, he is called a UI developer. Okay. Now, what is called UI developer? Everyone understood or not? Please respond. What is called UI developer? Everyone understood, guys? Please attendance. Please attend this. Everyone understood? Someone please respond, please. This concept understood? Okay, right. Next one. Okay, this is the purpose of UI developer. Then what about database? What about database? Okay. For example, why we need the database in our programming? Why we need the database in our program? Listen carefully. For example, you are going to open your website, or just take one IRCTC website. Everyone just watch it. Very simple example I am giving. irctc.co.in. This is a website I'm going to take. Now I'm going for searching a train. I'm going to search for the train. Here, source station I'm going to enter. I'm entering the source station, for example, Secunderabad, and a destination. I'm going to enter Vizag, suppose. And later, I'm searching the trains. Now, some trains details are coming. Automatically, it is showing some train details. And you are going to select one train. You are going to select one train, and later you are going to book. Suppose you got a booking. Now what happened means, when you are going to book this, your data is going to store where? Your ticket details where they are going to store means in a database. Listen carefully. When you are going to book the ticket, where your data is going to be stored? The details are going to store in database. Okay. That means all your train details means whatever you have booked, the train details are going to store in database. That means database is the storage. Database is the storage in our system, and without this storage, whatever the things you are doing, they're useless. Remember everybody, without this database, your ticket details are never going to be stored. And not only IRCTC, for example, your previous example I have given, Flipkart. Suppose you are booking a item, you are booking a item where the details are going to be stored. Your booking item details are stored again in database. Suppose in mobile phone, simple example, in mobile phone also you are creating the contacts. Where the contacts are going to be stored means again in a database. That means without a database, our details never going to be stored. Now, for this database, generally we are going to use different modules. What they are means, either Oracle, MySQL, NoSQL, MongoDB, like this, so many are there. All these are called what means, okay, database modules. All these are called what means database. And without database, your website is useless. Without database, this website is useless. Okay. Now, then what about the next module? Okay, it is the database module. He is called a database developer. Now, what about Java developer? Sir, why we need the Java developer in our programming? Listen carefully. Why we need this Java developer? Okay, remember, very important point. Very important point. Today we are going to discuss. What is the role of Java developer? What is the role of Java developer in this programming? Okay, just everyone watch this example carefully. Without Java, nothing is happen here. Without Java, nothing is going to be happen in any, means not only Java, either it is .NET or Python, what it may be. Sir, how the Java developer is important in our programming? Okay, just listen carefully. Suppose here I am going to take the same information. Assume one student is there. Now he is going to enter, for example, personal data. Student want to take the admission, and for admission he have to enter the name, for example, age, gender, like this. Assume here he have entered some details. Here also some details. Later he is pressing the next button. When next button is pressed, you are getting one more window. Okay. Here, suppose in next window, they're asking the student address. Just assume student address is there. And he is pressing again next button. Now it is showing another window. Okay. Here, for example, personal data means mobile number and email address. Suppose here you have entered, here next button. Okay, finally, you are going to come here. And in this window, for example, there is submit option is there. And here review option is there. Two options are available here. Assume we are having two options in this window. Everyone observe it carefully what I want to say. Okay. Here different web pages we are going to open. One is the student name, age, gender. Another one is the address. Another one mobile number, email address. Another one submit review. Okay. For example, what happened when submit button is clicked? What happened? Review button is clicked. Just watch it. Very simple. Actually, this is called one web page. You know that. This is another web page. Like this, all these are nothing but web pages. Each one is one web page, separate web page. Now when you are clicking on next button, what happened? Or submit button clicked, what happened? Okay. In background, you are having a Java program. And Java program purpose is what? This Java program purpose is what? This Java program collects this information, listen carefully, and stores in one object. Your Java program purpose is what? And it is also going to collect it. This is also going to be collected. And this is also going to be collected. That means what? Your Java program collecting the web information in the form of objects. Okay. Your Java program collecting all this information in the form of objects. Suppose when submit button is clicked, what happened? Now there is a server application which is created with core Java and advanced Java. And this is connecting with a database. Just assume it is the database like Oracle, what it may be. And now your data is going to be stored. Now tell me, in this example, can I say the Java program is collecting the information from web page or not, guys? Everyone observe it carefully. In this example, the Java program is collecting the information from the web pages and finally contacting the database and going to store. Suppose if your Java program is not there, just assume if your Java program is not there in this example, your data never going to be stored. Listen carefully. If your Java program or .NET program or Python program is not there in this example, your data never going to be stored in database. That means here the most important person is who means Java programmer. Okay, your Java programmer is the backbone of this project. Remember everybody, the Java programmer is the backbone of this project. That's why in web page or web application development, Java, Python, .NET, they are going to be play important roles. They are going to play. That's why in full stack Java also, your course started with first of all, what means? Okay, that is core Java. Next, you are going to learn advanced Java. What is core Java role? What is advanced Java role? Later I am going to explain, nothing to worry. Okay, later I am giving clarity on this, nothing to worry. Now, in this example, everyone observe it carefully, guys. How many layers are visible? Anybody tell me? In this example, how many layers are visible right now? Anybody? Laukya, Vaishnavi? How many layers are visible? I'm asking just.
3.
Very good, very good. 3 layers are visible. Okay. And the first layer, which is called front end. Why we are calling it is a front end, sir? Because of user is watching here. Your total user entering the data in these web pages. Okay, remember, the user is entering the data in these 4 web pages, which is in front of the user, which is in front of the user. Then it is called a front end, and this front end designed by UI developer. This front end application designed by UI developer. Next one. Okay, but our Java program visible or not visible, guys? Our Java program, I'm asking. Java program is visible or not visible to the user, I am asking. Anybody, please? Java program, I'm asking. Java program visible to the user? No. That's why
No.
Very good. Then this is called what means backend, okay, or which is also called middle end. General technically it is called backend. This is backend. That's why we are calling Java is the backend. Java is called backend. And another layer is what? That is nothing but this is the third layer, database. Database also comes under, some members are saying database also it is a backend because of it is not visible to the user, which is stored in a server. Okay, now this is the third. Totally, it is the third layer. Okay, it is the first layer, it is the second layer, it is the third layer. That means to develop this website, we need 3 layers minimum. That's why this application is also called a 3-tier application. I think everybody this concept understood or not? That's why we are calling this is a 3-tier. Tier means what? Tier means nothing but a layer. Okay, here tier means nothing but it is a layer. Okay, totally we are using minimum 3 layers. Minimum we are using 3 layers. That's why this application is called 3-tier application. Okay, in 3-tier application, what are the mandatory things? Means one is the front end UI developer compulsory, and Java developer is compulsory. Okay, it is designed by Java developer, and it is designed by database developer. That means what? Without these three developers, we can't develop any web application. Without these 3 layers, we can't develop any web application. Sir, then what about entire application? Generally, in interview, they're asking the question. In interview, they're asking the question. What is called entire application? Entire application. Now, what is meant by entire application? For example, I have designed this web application. Okay. Now, I want to, everyone listen carefully. In this example, how to manage the load balancing. I want to make load balancing, and I want to make clustering, and I want to give security. Listen carefully. One more important point today I'm going to reveal. What is that means? Load balancing, clustering, security. Sir, what is called load balancing, sir? What is clustering, sir? What is security, sir? Okay, a very simple example. I think you know that daily we are having tatkal. Okay, daily we are having tatkal timings. Tatkal. What I'm saying is tatkal timings are there. Okay, actually at the time of tatkal bookings, okay, it is going to take more time. Why? Because means at tatkal booking time so many persons are going to load, means so many persons are going to open the same website. Listen carefully. At tatkal booking time so many persons are going to open the IRCTC website at a time. Then automatically the load is more at that time. They are getting load means more load is going to be placed on the website. Then we have to manage this load. We have to manage this load. Then how to manage this load means by using spring boot microservices. They are going to be used. Listen carefully. They are going to use what kind of concept? Okay, Spring Boot, microservices. And here, because of they are providing tools to manage this application very easy, they are providing the tools. Who is providing the tools means Spring Boot, microservice. All these are going to provide the tools. And by using these tools, we are going to manage the load balancing, which is called load balancing. Then your application is not going to be crash. Now, what about clustering, sir? Suppose, what about the clustering it is? What is called clustering concept? Very simple concept. Clustering means what? For example, here you are going to pay the ticket amount. Just assume you are paying the ticket amount and you are having HDFC you are having HDFC bank account, but IRCTC having ICICI bank account. Listen carefully. Actually, you are having HDFC account, but IRCTC having ICICI. And another user is having SBI account, but IRCTC having again ICICI. Then how the HDFC amount transferred into ICICI? Listen carefully. How this HDFC amount transferred to ICICI? That is nothing but clustering concept. That is called clustering. Okay, that means what? This HDFC application or server connected with ICICI. This SBI connected with ICICI, or this HDFC connected with SBI. That means every bank server connected with another bank server. So we are calling gateways. They are called gateways. And using those gateways, we are communicating with one bank with another bank. That is called clustering process. And how it is maintained by means the Spring Boot microservices. Then what about security? You know that security means high level. Suppose if it is bank application or your Gmail application, what it may be. Nowadays, the security, username, password, some rules and regulations are required. And without these rules and regulations, we can't develop the web application. Then for that, we are going to use the Spring Boot, all these concepts. Okay. Now watch it carefully. And after development of this project, suppose you have developed the entire project, and later you want to store this project. That is called deployment, build and deployment. Last step, build and deployment. And you know that IRCTC is a big website. Now IRCTC is a very big site. And now they are going to store that website, okay, in AWS or any cloud, something like this, Big Daddy like this. We are having that. For that, we are going to use Amazon Web Services. Okay, how to store the website in cloud? How to store our website in website? Okay, in a cloud. How to manage the website? Okay, how to change the website information? All these are we are going to do with the AWS, Amazon Web Services. Okay, this is called nothing but what? Build and deployment. Build and deployment. That means what? Another person is going to upload this project to the cloud. Later he is going to make the changes. He is watching website is working properly or not. Means website maintenance. Website maintenance we are calling this. And all these concept that is comes under AWS. Okay. Finally, now tell me guys, how many layers are there in this application? Anybody? Now tell me. How many layers now I am going to use? Watch it carefully and tell me. In previous example, I have used 3 layers. Now we are using 3 now, more than 3 now.
4 layers.
Just watch it carefully. Watch it carefully. Previously, 3 layers are there. Front end is there, back end is there, database is there, and Spring Boot is there, and AWS also entered or not. Okay, that means more than 3 layers are there. When we are using more than 3 layers, this is called entire application. When we are using more than 3 layers in this application, that is called what? Entire application. This is how the entire application you are going to develop. Finally, through this example, what I want to say. Through this example, what I want to say means, okay, when you know all these concepts, you are called a full stack developer. This is why I have started or given this example. When you know all these steps, that means what? How to design the front end, how to design the back end, how to design the database, okay, how to manage the load, how to connect with other systems, security, and project maintenance. When you know all these concepts, you are going to be a full stack developer. This is what I have started today. Okay, what is full stack developer means? This is, and nowadays every company looking the same thing. See that first UI developer who can design the front end, database developer who can design the database, and Java developer. He is the Java developer who is going to write the program in back end. And tester, actually he is not a developer. He is testing the project is according to the client requirement or not. Okay, any problems are there or not. The tester work is testing that project is okay according to the client requirement or not. And final person build and deployment means he is going to upload the project, he is going to maintain the project like using AWS, Amazon Web Services, all these things. Now when you know, suppose one person knows all these things, listen carefully. When one person know all these things, now he is called a Java full stack developer. This is the course. Okay. And nowadays, every company looking for the same thing. Remember this. Nowadays, every company looking for the Java full stack developer, Python full stack developer, or .NET. Why? Because means he is a all-rounder. Okay. He can do anything. He is called all-rounder in project because of he can make the UI, he can make the database, he can make Java. That means he can do anything in project. Okay, that's why company requirement is what they want to manage the project. Instead of placing four persons, they are going to select only one person. Now advantage of for company is what? Less salary. With less salary, they are going to take one person. Means instead of selecting four persons, they are going to select only one person. It is the first advantage. And for this person, advantage is what? He can play role in any sector. This developer can be used in any sector. That means what? Job guarantee. Means he can develop UI, he can develop database. That means what? Multi-purpose. When he is multi-purpose means what? Okay, the job is secured. That's why every company looking for Java full stack developer. Okay. Up to this, any doubts you are having, guys? Yes, anybody, please. Up to this, everyone, this concept understood or not? Say something, please. Everybody understood or not?
Yes, sir.
ఏమైంది వైష్ణవి ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉందా?
No, sir.
ఓకే, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ క్లియర్? ఓకే, రైట్. అండ్ రాణి జాదవ్ రాణి జాదవ్, లౌక్య అండ్ రణిత్, ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? Okay, then I'm going to post these things. First, I'm going to give these things. 1 minute. Okay, right. And now these are the concepts we are going to learn in full stack development. That means what? In full stack development, we are going to learn all these courses. Okay. And in all these courses, what was the very, very important module means Java module. In all these, very, very important module is Java module. And in Java module, what are the things you are going to learn? First one, core Java. Second one, advanced Java. Third one is Spring Boot with microservices or web services. Okay. Now, Listen carefully. Here, what is core Java? Today, I'm going to discuss one small thing is there. What is core Java? Now, it is a, remember everybody, core Java means what? Actually, by using core Java, by using core Java, we can develop standalone applications or non-internet based applications or desktop applications or Windows based applications. Now see that actually in core Java, what is called core Java? Later I am giving more clarity on this. What is a language, all these things we are going to discuss. First, what is what you have to know. By using core Java, we can develop a standalone application. Now you guys are getting a doubt. Sir, what is called standalone application? Example, very simple. Notepad, WordPad, calculator, like this. Okay. Sir, why you are calling it is a standalone application? What is called standalone application or non-internet based application or desktop application or Windows based application? For example, I'm going to open the calculator. Everyone just watch it. This is the calculator. This is calculator. And here to do work with this calculator, we doesn't need any internet connection. You know that. Suppose to open this calculator, there is no need of internet connection. And suppose 7 plus 3 equal. Answer 10. To find out this 10, I doesn't need any internet connection. That means this application working without internet. Remember carefully. Here what I am saying. This application working without internet. When application is working without internet, that is called non-internet based application. Okay. When the application is working without internet, it is called non-internet based application. And which is working in a single system, which is working in a single system. Sir, why you are saying it is working in a single system? Actually, okay, it is my system, and in my system one calculator is there, and in your system another calculator is there, and there is no relation between my system calculator and your system calculator. That means my system calculator only for working only for my system. It is not for other system. That kind of applications are called a standalone application. Remember what is called standalone application. What is meant by standalone application? Okay, the application installed in a single system and working from that system only. Remember everybody, what is called standalone application? When an application is working in a single system, single only from single system, that application is called standalone application. And examples are what? These are all examples. Okay. Now, and to work with this, there is no need of internet. That's why we are calling non-internet based application. Then what is advanced Java? Just a briefing I am giving, that's all. Advanced Java, why we need? Okay. It is used to develop web applications or server based applications. It is the point. Remember why we need the advanced Java. By using advanced Java only, we can develop web applications or server based application or internet based application. Why? Because I am saying that just before I have opened one website, Samsung. I want to watch the Samsung in Flipkart. But to work with Flipkart, we need the internet connection. You know that. To work with this Flipkart website, internet is compulsory. If internet is not there, we can't open this Samsung mobile phone. That means what? These are internet based applications. Okay. And these applications, to design this kind of application, we need the advanced Java. What I am saying, understood? That means what? Java allows to develop two kind of applications. By using Java, we can develop two kind of application. One is the standalone application, and another one is the advanced, means another one internet based application, which is also called server based application or web application. Now, in advanced Java, what are the things we are going to learn? In advanced Java, what are the concepts we are going to learn? Okay. And remember, in core Java, what kind of syllabus we are going to get? First, I want to give you what is the syllabus for core Java. Just first of all, I want to give that syllabus also 1 minute. These are the concepts we are going to learn in core Java. This is the course. And what is the roadmap? Sir, how to cover all these topics, sir? How much time it is going to take? Listen, actually, here I said what? This is a full stack course, Java full stack developer course. And what is the course duration? Total, it is going to take 6 months. Remember? Okay, the full stack I am saying about, not core Java. Full stack course duration 6 months. I think the fees is 30,000 rupees, I think. Total course fees 30,000, I think. Just contact the management. They are going to give the full clarity on this one. Okay. Suppose you are paying another 5,000 for this course. You are getting the job assisted programming also, placement assisted. Okay. That means placement also they are going to provide like this. And what is the roadmap? And sir, we are getting any projects, sir? Yes. Remember everybody, here in this course, we are getting any projects? Yes. 2 mini projects plus one major. Remember everybody, at the end of this course, okay, guaranteed, it is guaranteed, you are getting 2 mini projects and one major real-time project. Okay, what 2 mini projects and one major real-time projects. And this is the total. And how to complete this course, sir? How to complete this course, sir? Okay, actually, to complete this course, different, you have to learn simultaneously the subjects. Okay, what are the, how to complete this course? I'm going to give, that is called roadmap. We are calling it is the roadmap. Listen, first join core Java. Along with that, join HTML or CSS and Oracle. Remember everybody. Okay. First of all, your course is going to start with core Java, and along with that, start the HTML and Oracle also. Okay. Now you are getting it out, sir. We are going to get any confused with this? No. Okay. We are getting any confusion for this? No. Because of core Java is different, HTML is different, Oracle is different. Okay. Now it is going to be started. Once it is going to started, later, start with the advanced Java and remaining UI module components, means CSS, JavaScript like this. Remaining also completed. And last Spring remaining thing also automatically AWS basics. Like this, you have to complete this course. Remember everybody, what is the roadmap, sir? In easy way, I want to complete this. How to complete? Okay, within 6 months, because of so many subjects are there here. And within 6 months, how to complete means one by one, you can't do this. That's why what I am saying is attend core Java, HTML, Oracle at, okay, at 1 day. Later, when it is completed, advanced Java started. Along with that, CSS, JavaScript also going. And later, Spring related topics, AWS. DevOps. When you are going to finish like this, within 6 months, this course is completed. Okay. Now it is the just what is what. Today I have given what is Java full stack developer. In Java full stack developer, what is your role and why nowadays all the companies are looking for full stack, full stack, full stack. Because of full stack person can do anything. Okay. Just it is only demo only. Okay. Now, you are having any doubt, you can ask me. You guys are having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Otherwise, tomorrow I'm going to continue the remaining concepts. Tomorrow, I'm going to start the core Java directly. Okay. What is core Java and what is language? All these topics, how to install, how to do all these things. Yes, anybody having any doubts, guys? Okay. Then no problem. Join tomorrow at same time. It is demo class now. That's why I'm going to take less time only. Okay, it is only demo class. That's why I'm taking very less time. Once the demo class is completed, I'm going to take the full class. Is it clear? And one more thing also, everyone getting these notes also. Okay, everyone getting these notes to your Google Classroom, to your Google Classroom. And how to get the Google Classroom, I'm going to give the information also. Every day, I am posting the notes. Every day, I am going to post these notes to your Google Classroom. Nothing to worry. Okay, every day after the class, this notes is posted to your Google Classroom. Yes, anybody having any doubts? Yes, are you there, man? Laukya. Okay, no problem. Yes. Any doubts you are having, you can ask me, no problem. I'm giving the mic control. I'm giving the mic control. You can ask me. You are having any doubt. Yes, Rajesh Kumar. Rajesh Kumar, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Just you have joined up.
Yeah, yes, sir. Actually, I didn't see the meeting invite. Just
Oh,
now I saw the mail and I joined. I don't know whether it is completed or not.
just I have completed this. But today, what I have given means only what is what. What is the full stack developer? What are the components are required? What is a UI module? What is UI developer? What is database developer? What is the Java developer? And what is a okay tester? What is build and deployment to what they are going to do in a project development? Just I have given Rajesh.
Okay, okay.
Okay, you know UI, database, all these things. A
I'm
little
not.
bit.
I'm
A
not
lit,
from. I'm not actually from UA background. I'm mostly into backend developer.
you are backend developer.
Yeah.
Okay, backend develop means you are going to develop which on which concept?
I mean, the Spring Boot,
Okay,
microservice.
yeah, yeah, very good. Then you are not a fresher, na? Okay,
No, no,
I,
not a question.
of course. That means you know everything. Okay,
Yeah. This front
just
end, I don't know. I just saw this some kind of placement kind of thing. I thought I'll join it.
okay. Right, no problem. Front end means nothing but you know HTML, JavaScript,
Hmm.
CSS, Bootstrap, and React
Yeah.
JS.
Yeah.
Okay,
This one you cover React just, right?
yes, of course.
Okay. Okay, sir. So
Okay,
the plan is like complete for freshers, right? This one.
yes, of course. Yes, of course. Yes,
Oh, okay.
because of it is based on full stack developer now.
Hmm.
Nowadays, every company looking for full stack only. Okay. Suppose only UI, they are not going to take. Only database, they are not going to take. You know that.
Yeah.
Because of when all rounder is there, company surviving and this guy also surviving. That's why
So
they are looking.
this
So,
one is front end React and back end also you're going on.
yes, of course.
Okay. How much is the duration, sir?
6 months it is going to take.
Okay.
Actually, course duration, 6 months it is going to take.
Okay.
But you have to attend the parallel classes. And in these 6 months, you are getting 2 mini projects and 1 major project also. It is a
Okay.
live project. Our Ashok sir is going to take about this one. Okay.
Okay.
And you have to do like this core Java, HTML, Oracle. I think you are having little bit idea. Parallelly, how to do all these things.
Uh-huh.
Advanced Java like this. Finally, Spring Boot. Okay, web services and AWS basics also.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome. Right.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
guys. Okay, right. Thank you for today and join tomorrow, same time. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to continue the remaining. Okay,
Thank you.
thank you for today. Yeah, thank you all.